going to do is we're going to, we have our software loaded. This is the first time we're going to connect the software to the scanner. And what we have to do is tell the software what kind of scanner's connected. There's many different models of GraphTech scanners, and we need to enable them to talk to each other. So if this is the scanner adjustment program, and this is Scanning Master 21, you have to do this process in both applications. What we do first is click Scanner and then Model Setup, and it lists a bunch of models of GraphTech scanners. If we pick the wrong one and we click Confirm, it's going to say, I can't find the scanner. Okay, if we pick the right one, I think that's it. Click Confirm, and then it finds it. That's all there is to it here. And then we click OK. And then from there, we can do the calibration, color calibration, anything else we need. But we need to be able to talk to the scanner. Here in Scanning Master 21, it's the same process. Model Setup, pick your scanner, and click Confirm. And if it finds it, it finds it. If it doesn't find it, or if it's the wrong model number, it won't find it. There you go. All right, that's all there is to it. Now, one thing that I want to also show you in Scanning Master 21 is when we hit the scan button, you can, in this case, it comes in as inches. If you prefer millimeters, there's a simple way to change it. Under Tools and Options, under Unit Setup, we change it to inches or millimeters, whatever we decide. And then we also have file settings. You can set the default file type, the default resolution, default speed, display settings. I usually leave these alone. They're acceptable. And these are self-explanatory too. Recently used file list contains 4 of them, scan displays 4, and basically that's it. All right, that's all you need to do before you start scanning. This is Mike Korn with Large Document Solutions. Don't forget, if you need to have a specific question about your GraphTech scanner or any other large format scanner, give us a call, 866-338-4464. Thank you.